Hey, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pin comment on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows users to connect, share their experiences, and engage with content. One powerful feature on Instagram is the ability to pin comments, which allows you to highlight specific comments on your post. Whether you want to highlight an insightful comment, address a frequently asked question, or showcase positive feedback, pinning a comment can help you boost engagement and create a more interactive experience. In this video, I will show you how to do it. If you want to pin comment on your post, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And now you can tap on your profile. You can choose your post that you want to pin the comment from that post. As example, I will choose this. Let's see the comment. You can see there's two comments on this post. You can choose one of them. I will choose this. You can tap and hold on that comment like this until there is some pop-up options appear on your screen like this. You can see there is an option pin. You can tap on that. So as you can see, there is a pin icon on beside the comment. It means it's already pinned on your post. And if there is more than one lot of comment on your post and you want to pin more than one, you can do that. You can just do the same thing and pin the comment that you want to appear or make to your on the top of your comment section on your post. So that is how to pin comment on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!